Hey everybody, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to connect wireless mouse to Samsung Smart TV. Let's go. To connect, you will need a mouse and a Bluetooth adapter. Connect the Bluetooth adapter to your TV via USB. The mouse will only work in the browser. Open Apps, find Apps, find Internet app, install. Done. The mouse is working. That's it. Now you know how to connect wireless mouse to Samsung Smart TV. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.